Are you wondering how to get the mentors you need to succeed in graduate school this year? You may be a new or returning graduate student who's just wondering, how do I acclimate to graduate school this year, especially with hybrid learning, online learning, all these new changes. You also may be wondering, how do I secure top fellowships or internships? Or even, how do I just finish strong with a clear professional pathway after graduate school? Hi, my name is Fatimah Williams, and I'm the founder of Beyond the Tenure track. And I've helped countless graduate students just like you to navigate those relationships and build mentorships and relationships on and off campus that help you to do all of those things that I just mentioned. So I'll be kicking off Welcome Week with you with a virtual workshop to teach you how to identify mentors and cultivate relationships with them so you can get the support you need to reach your goals. So register today for this virtual workshop that is exclusively for University of Wisconsin-Madison graduate students. See you soon.